Students, let us discuss about the chapter agriculture. Agriculture in India. India is an agriculturally important country. Agriculture produces most of the food that we consume. Agriculture also produces raw material for the various industries. Did you know India is second in the world in crop output next to China? 1.4 million square kilometer of land in India is under cultivation. Agriculture is India's biggest economic sector and employs 52.1% of total workforce. Types of farming. Over years, cultivation methods in India have changed significantly depending upon the characteristics of physical environment, technological know how, and socio-cultural practices. Farming varies from subsistence to commercial farming. At present, in different parts of India, the following farming systems are practiced: primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming. Did you know agriculture is the largest livelihood provider in rural India? Primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few places in India. It is practiced on small patches with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dao, digging sticks, and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions. It is also called slash and burn cultivation. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce crops to sustain their family. When soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and start cultivation in the same way on a fresh patch of land. This allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil. Productivity in this type of farming is low as fertilizers or modern inputs are not used. Different names of slash and burn cultivation in different states of India, like northeastern states, it is known as Jhuming. In Manipur, Pamlao. In Chhattisgarh, Deepa. In Andaman and Nicobar, also Deepa. In Madhya Pradesh, Bewar or Dahiya. In Andhra Pradesh, Podu or Penda. In Odisha, Western Ghat. Rajasthan, in Western Ghats, Kumari. In Rajasthan, Walre or Waltre. In Himalayan belt, Khil. In Jharkhand, Kuruwa. In the world, Mexico and Central America, Milpa. Venezuela, Conuco. In Brazil, Roca. In Central Africa, Masol. In Indonesia, Ladang. In Vietnam, Ray. Intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming where high doses of biochemical inputs and irrigations are used for obtaining higher production. Though the right of inheritance leading to division of land among successive generations has rendered land holding size uneconomical. The farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative source of livelihood. Thus, there is enormous pressure on agricultural land. Did you know 12% of world's farmlands is in India? Commercial farming. In this type of farming, higher doses of modern inputs like HYV seeds, chemical fertilizer, insecticide, and pesticides are used in order to obtain higher productivity. The degree of commercialization varies from region to region. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Punjab and Haryana, but in Odisha it is a subsistence crop. Plantations. Plantation is a type of commercial farming. It is the type of farming in which a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantation use capital intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. All the produce is used as raw material in respective industries. Capital intensive term refer to more capital in comparison to laborer. Tea plantation in Assam and North Bengal, coffee plantation in Karnataka, banana plantations in southern part of India, rubber plantation in Kerala, bamboo plantations in northeast India, etc. are some important plantation crops grown in India. Since the production is mainly for market as well developed network of transport and communication connecting the plantation areas, processing industries and market is present. Thank you students.